Okay. So a KS50 frame. KS50 frame. Sliding window. Division. See. Joining. KS50 frame. White frame, dark glass. This is now KS50 frame nete, and I wear crossing sliding window. This is nete, dark glass. Okay. See that. We'll check here. Can be down. And I use so small nets and so a big net you use today. Push your hands now. Can be down. Be okay. Net handle. Net handle. Your net is smooth. KS50 frame. Say that. Come on. KS50. See your papa. You see a press here. Lock papa. Can be down. Okay, that's. Raining. Oh, you are working.
Yeah, one can also do any appointment. That feeling 1 year.
Projected window, now the installed. smoothly, perfectly. Authentic. As you can see, we have finished installing the projected window. Perfect, authentic, everything on point. My damn boss said money. My damn boss said money. Boss,
this aluminum and glass X. That's it. That's it. Why need you? I said, net and on fire is one. I had sister, sister, I got zero. I know what is that doing?
Each aluminium and glass.
Come on, I'm saying.
Each aluminium and glass.
Yeah, man.
Sharing a living place. In chair one doors with beer, sliding windows.
Yeah, everything.
Each door, related windows. Casement windows with beer, original, quality, affordability.
Yes, sir. Delity.
Affordability.
Inside, this is the view. See the way they go on.
Closer, with beer.
Closer, everything. It's aluminium and glass X. Like I said, you do something.
Your work is safe.
Your works are secured and safe with us. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Anti patrol triangle frame nini. When you find triangle, we don't see it. Penny. So triangle frame nini. Ana nini. So nini suni. Patrol KS15 nini. Sina KS50 frame na suti. KS15 nini. KS50 frame is in it.